Hey guys! Hey guys! Welcome to my vlog. So, I'm preparing because I have schedule for passport. Papa-change passport ako kasi yung last passport ko was Blandino pa ako nun. So, ngayon, I'm preparing for my passport schedule. And this Band-Aid, kasi kakagaling ko lang sa pagpapavaccine for the dogs. So, para iwas anti-rabies for the dogs. So, if you didn't know yet, we have 2 dogs now here in condo. So, kaya naman ganito yung boses ko kasi kakagaling ko lang ng sakit. So, yun lang. Get ready with me. This is, aray! This is Tiffany. Okay. Charlie now. Aray. Ayoko na. Charlie. Oh. Si Charlie. Say hi. Ready. Let's go. On the way to Mega Mall. Busy yan. Paano ka pa ng pila? Share ko lang. We're done.
Hey guys, we're done with renewing our passport.
Yes.
Hopefully, we could get it around July 17th.
Anyway, now we're heading for some brunch. Finally, we're eating. Let's eat. We're now in Farmer's Garden.
We're in Sagada.
We're in Farmer's Garden to buy some plant. Kabili din sa wakas. Ooh, we travel so far for this. Perfect. Zabu. Cheers. Ina. Rain free. My everyone. Agad yun. This is so interesting. Rock diffuser.
Ito na.
Thank you.
Buy it for me.
Okay. Sold.
We?
Ito na lang. Ito na lang. Iron Man din naman ito eh.
Gusto ko to eh. Gusto ko yung Iron Man.
Kaya ng konsensya mo to.
Oo.
Kaya ng konsensya mo to. Malungkot ka na. Dahil mong gagastusin. Hey man. So, hello, so we just got home. So, let me do an unboxing video of what we got sa Cybergate. So, number one, syempre this one. Our very own money tree. Ayan. So, we got 2. Sa Typo naman, so, meron silang promo na buy 2, get 1 free. So, ito yung mga kinuha namin. So, we got 3 items. So, number 1, ayan, bag ni Mike for school as professional. And then, we got another bag. Bag for myself naman. So, ito yung pinaka-freebie. Kasi ito yung pinaka-mura. So, yan. So, this is mine. Free lang yan. Then, lastly, sa Typo, we got another one. So, yan. Wala na siya sa box. Sira na yung box niya. So, we got a very huge na tumbler for future travels and gala. Ayan, para marami kayong mga water. Then last is from KKV. So, kapag pupunta kayo sa KKV, kailangan madami kayong budget. Kasi ang daming mga unnecessary na things doon na you wanted to buy, kahit hindi nyo naman planong gamitin. So, kumbaga kalat in short. So, number 1 is this one. Yan, 3D Relief Color Painting Set. So, we're planning to change yung painting na to into this one. 3D siya. So, gagawin namin siya soon if we have time. Acne patch. Very cute lang na acne patch. I'll use it now because I have pimple here. Sige, mamaya. Makeup sponge. Ink Orchid na essence oil for pampabango ng room. Ano lang to? I just wanna try. Electric eyelash curler. So, titignan natin kung may ano pa to. This one is super interesting. I wanna unbox it with you. This is a volcanic rock. This is a volcanic rock diffuser. So, this is super interesting kasi ibang klase siya na diffuser. Sobrang aesthetic niya tignan. Sige, sirain na natin. The volcanic rock essence oil. Ayan. Then, this is the rock. This is the rocks. Ayan. Volcanic rocks. Yes. This one. Ayan. Cute lang. So, ayan siya. Worth it naman. The mess. Okay, bye. Thanks, bossing. Thank you. Thank you. We're gonna watch How to Train Your Dragon. So we're gonna buy some coffee and food. Yeah. Let's go. Ooh, so much beer.
Drebin, Police Squad, the new version.
Must-watch movie.
Wow.
In a room with the ocean view. Look at us, do they think we give enough?